Imagine a Jamaican Strongback without any alcohol. Stay tuned and watch what go on.
Technical Dave, Dan Dada Tutor. Brother, how you so versatile? Lord have mercy. Jack of all techniques. Well, this is Ryan's Jamaican International Restaurant, representing for Technical Dave. Technical Dave TV. Stay tuned, watch and learn.
Ingredients for the Jamaican Strongback, the non-alcoholic version. I have banana, Jamaican Fosca oats, big bamboo, Jamaican Irish moss, vanilla flavor, and the peanut flavor. I have all-natural baba roots, ginseng plus, a third cup of mixed spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half cup of pumpkin seeds, and green kale.
You're watching Technically Dave TV. Like, drop a comment, and share the video with your friends. Thank you, and big up yourself.
Wow, look at that. Rich. You can see the kale. I can't believe there's no alcohol in this one. Tastes really, really strong. Try this recipe for yourself and let me know what you think. For more videos like this, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you can get videos instantly as I upload them.